we can use two methods. Both are possible, so you can use the preferred way of yours. Deposited 6,000 rupees annual compounded interest rate as 7% amount of money after 2 years. So first of all, what you have to find? First, we have to find first year interest. First year interest. Thereafter, amount of money after first year. After first year, the deposit. Deposit after first year. Thereafter, we have to find what is the interest for second year. Second year interest. Then we have to find the deposit after second year, amount of money in the bank after second year. These are the four things we have to find. First of all, we will use this method to find the answer. First year interest, so 100 over 7 times 6,000. So we can simplify this. It will become 420 rupees. So first year interest 420 rupees. So end of first year, the deposited amount would be 6,420 rupees. In addition, with the investment and first year interest both together will be considered. Now let's find the second year interest. The interest percentage doesn't change. 100 over second 7 into the amount after first year 6,420. If not, the investment plus first year interest both together will be calculated to find the interest for second year 6,420. We can simplify them. This one and this one simplified, so thereafter it will become 449.4 rupees. Okay, after simplification we can have 449.4 rupees. So this is the amount of interest received after end of second year. So we have to find the deposited amount after end of 2 years. So initial investment, first year interest, second year interest all together. So 6,000 plus 420 plus 449.4, it's all together 6,869.4 rupees. The decimals are important, so keep it on mind. So this is the correct answer. Investment 6,000, first year interest 420, second year interest 449.4 altogether. In end of second year, the investment would be like this. We can, without doing these much steps, within 2 steps we can find the answer. I will explain that method also. To find that, as I mentioned earlier, 7% means from the percentage get a conclusion. So for 100 rupees, I have to pay. If I get 100 rupees, if I invest 100 rupees, they will give me 7 rupees as interest. So I will receive 107 rupees after end of first year. I'm correct now. So first I will find end of first year, what is the amount? End of first year. How much I will have? So if I invested 100 rupees, I will have 107 rupees in my account after end of first year, because the question is not step by step. They were directly asked what is the amount after end of 2 years. So no need to find all of them now. Directly we can use the simplest way to find the answer. That's why I used this one. They didn't talk about the interest separately. They've asked the amount of money in the bank after 2 years directly. That means both deposit and interest together. So after end of first year, the amount of money in my bank, we will consider about 100 rupees in simple manner. So 100 rupees, 7 rupees interest, both together, it will become 107. So 107, likewise, if I invested 6,000 rupees, what is the amount I will have? We can simplify them, so it will become 6,420 rupees. Directly we found end of first year I will have this amount of money in my bank. Likewise, we will continue the work. End of second year, how much I will have? The percentage that doesn't change. So 100 over 107, that is correct. So end of first year, this is the amount in my bank. So that will be considered as the investment in the initial second year. So for this 6,420 have to find. So after simplification, here also you will have 6,869.4 rupees. Both are correct methods. So you should select which one is convenient for you, because some students will be familiar with this one. How to find the first year interest, thereafter first year deposit, second year interest, second year deposit. But it is a time consuming one. Since we are doing the competitive exam, the time is a limited one. So you should use the alternate methods rather than doing that by using the traditional methods to find the answer correctly in a quick span of time. So this is the more convenient method for the question. They've asked about the interest. This is the correct method. Now also this is not a wrong method, but you should use the proper method. After end of first year, 100 over 107 times 6,000. It is this much. For this amount, interest will be calculated for second year. So that would be 6,869.4 rupees in final. So use this method when they didn't ask about the interest separately. The question is step by step about the interest. You can use the method 1.